The former Attorney General and Minister of Justice during the administration of the Afprc military junta, lawyer Fafa on Monday, appeared before the Truth, Reconciliation and Reparations Commission to testify on the conditions he accepted to work with the junta members. Lawyer Mbai said he took up the job in the interest of the country considering that the coup was peaceful. Kadija reports.
A group of soldiers led by Lieutenant Yahya Jammeh seized power in a bloodless coup in July 22, 1994 that led to the ousting of a democratically elected government under the leadership of the then President Sir Dawda Kairaba Jawara. The political legitimacy of government derives the autonomous constituent institutions, legislative, judicial and executive, combined for the national common good and through public elections and citizens' consent. According to lawyer Mbai, the Afprc junta members had approached him 3 times to take up the Attorney General and Minister of Justice role, but he rejected the offer. But after a long contemplation, on the circumstances of the coup, he decided to take up the responsibility, as the newly set up military government needed a Ministry of Justice, but however, signed a memorandum with them before accepting the role.
In order to take care of the conflict of interest that might appear to arise later.
Pour li nga xamné ni nak fank nak mbolem lo xamné mu ngi jëm ci wali jawarlo aajo the conflict of interest lo xamné dana feñ gannaaw li
regarding a civil case instituted and won by Barrister Fafa on behalf of his client Afprc about his Louis Dias Construction Company Limited.
ci layo bo xamné nak Barrister Fafa gagné won nako ci touri clientam,
the full details of which were explained to the Afprc during the discussions.
The
Afprc has assured Barrister Fafa that the government of the Gambia will respect the judgments made by the relevant judicial bodies and the said and that the said case will honor and that the said case will be honored and therefore is committed to fully paying the orders and award by the Gambia Supreme Court.
Shortly, the military junta took over. They suspended the constitution and appointed civilian personalities to work in the government. Barrister Mbai told the commission that he took up the risks because he considered himself as a patriotic Gambian and a constant persuasion from leaders who encouraged him to take the role in the interests of the country.
But as a Gambian, as a patriotic Gambian, with the persuasion of eminent religious leaders, people of high caliber and respect in society. And the arguments they made to me, it was primarily the peace and stability of the country. Agreed for that reason.
Lawyer Fafa Mbai served as Justice Minister and Attorney General in the First Republic, and he also served on the same post for a period of 6 months under the leadership of the Afprc.